Years of service at VSTX, Davao.
Kumplex lang ka years diri sa VST. So, siya! Hi, sir. Sir, pila ka years and months diri sa VST?
9 years and 11 months. Mag 10 years na ako karong March.
Congra! Ma'am, pila ka years and months diri sa VST?
2 months, 5 years and 4 months.
Ma'am, pila ka days, months, years diri sa VST?
Currently going 4 years, 7 months, and 8 days.
Ma'am, pwede ko mangutana. Pila ka years, months, days diri sa VST?
7 years
And
1 day.
Sir, pila ka years, months, days diri sa VST?
5 years.
Wow!
Isa ka ron.
March.
Di, taka lang eh. February mo lang ron. Isa ka ron. Okay. 5 years, 1 month, and 7 days.
Wow! Sir, pila ka years, months, days diri sa VST?
6 years and 6 months.
Ma'am, pila ka years, months, days diri sa VST?
3 years.
Wow! And how many months?
Really, actually, mag 3 years pa.
Sir, pila ka years, months, days diri sa VST?
1 year, 5 months, 3 days, and pila ka hours.
Ma'am, pila ka years, months, days diri sa VST?
Ano po siya kunin mo ay lang. Kadulong na uli. Stress na kay nawong.
Yung halata. Go pagyapon.
Sa tuloy mo kung
Years, months, days diri sa VST.
Uy, wala na ako nag-ihap. Uy!
Sige lang, pila lang ka mo days and months na lang.
Days and months?
Years.
7 years.
Hello?
7 years and 9 months.
Wow!
Oh my God! Hi, iPhone 16 Pro Max!
Ma'am, pila ka years, months, days diri sa VST? Yeah.
Running 11 years.
When?
This year, September.
Years, months, days diri sa VST?
2 years lang.
Sir, hi sir. Sir, pila ka years, months, years diri sa VST?
Date hired was last November 23, 2020. So to be exact, I am 4 years and 2 months right now. So getting 5 years this November 23, 2025.
Sir, pila ka years, months, days diri sa VST?
3 months and 2 days.
2 days? Hey ma'am, pila ka years, months, days diri sa VST?
10 months po, mama. 1 year, days, 8 days.
Wow! Sir, pila ka years and months diri sa VST?
Meron ako. 1 year and 9 months.
Wow, mag 2 years. Sir, pila ka days and months diri sa VST?
6 months and 5 days.
Very good. Sir, Sir, pila ka years, months, days diri sa VST?
1 year na po. 1 year and 9 months. 10 days. Nanala po yung pila ka hours. Kaya mo na.
Ma'am, pila ka months
Wow!
and days diri sa VST?
Kuan, 9 months pa lang.
Wow, pila naman ko months? May ma'am, pila ka months, days diri sa VST?
Kuan, mag 1 year.
Kasa ka 1 year?
March, secret. March 11.
Ikaw, pila naman ka days? Sir. Hi, sir. Pila ka years and months diri sa VST?
Ay, actually, 2 years ako now, February 13.
Wow! Congrats!
Hi, sir. Pila nakaka-years, months, days, minutes, seconds here in VST ECS Davao?
1 week of G.
Lain lagi ka, sir, ay...
1 week of G. Gagot ang mo.
Hello, ma'am. Naka-question, ma'am. Pila nakaka-years, months, days, minutes, seconds here in VST ECS Davao?
I'm 7 years
Yeah.
and 13 days. That's it. Bye!